Division works just like multiplication and addition and subtraction, only you use the backslash sign for division. So if I wanted to answer this question, if the entire school is allotted 25,000 copies for the semester, how many copies would each teacher get? So I'm going to say equals 25,000 divided by, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teachers. I'll hit return, and each teacher will get 4,166.666667 copies. If I wanted to just show you one more time, I can say equals, let's say they get 50,000 copies this time. And I want to divide it by, we'll pretend like we have 3 teachers. Each teacher would get 16,666. So you just use the backslash and the same type formula as addition, multiplication, and subtraction.